Alright, so we threw together some sprites pretty quickly, just for fun. We do resources, sprites, there's zone images. Drag them in here. Get our files. So in zones, zone town. So the question is, something like the town is not going to have, well, I guess you could have an icon when you're leaving the town. Zoe's going to have Zoe Sprite. Rats are going to have Rat Sprite. Oh, we forgot about the blacksmith. Blacksmith Sprite. Image. There's one. View, image. Save image. Stop. Sprite working. Blacksmith sprites. Excellent. Choose the right size. Each one with 400. Image. Crop. Image. Scale image. Height of 48. Scale. Image. Size. 2. Size. Image size. Save them. There he is. Alright, in the forest we have a, these aren't really doing anything. Wolf, what was it? Wolf sprite. And this is a hermit, this is a hermit sprite. And then forest 2 we had skeleton sprite, and then we had treasure chest. Alright, so we have our data, we have our, the actual sprites themselves. Now you just have to wire that up and display it. So zoom controller script. And load pause menu, set zone nodes. Oh, this is the wrong one. I need to get rid of that thing. It's confusing me. Load tile map data. We're also going to have load tile sprites. Actually need that after the data. Sprites. Get this guy. Void load tile sprites. Void load tile sprite strings. Sprite name. And so we already have a sprite prefab, I think. Yeah, sprite prefab. So what you do is you do instantiate bar sprite equals instantiate sprite prefab. Oh yeah, then you need the location. Vector 3 position. Then you say bar sprite equals sprite. I guess you can just do it like this. Splice, you need the object to move it. Sprite get sprite because you probably want to check if it exists first. Right. This is actually in zone image. So just sprite name. If sprite resource not equal to null, then you do this stuff. And you want to say sprite object dot transform dot position equals position. So this is basically, you already loaded the for each bar zone object in time map data object bounds. You want more than object bounds. You need I thought we already wired this up somewhere. You want to index so you're going through the object bounds list you have from the map, and then you're grabbing the data from your zone. So the position is the object bounds that center, and load sprite the this is, game data object. Do we have a current tree? I think you're the current node. Zone tree. We have our current tree, yeah. Zone tree dot get node I. Although, is it I or is it? Zone tree node. Yeah, you gotta cast it, which is I plus 1, and then you do dot icon, and then you do data object bounds I dot center. All right. Load tile sprites. So see if that works. color there. He's red. Showing up at least. The way to fix that is we are prefabs. We don't need this sprite prefab anymore. Let's take this back to be apply. So we've updated our prefab to not have all that craziness on it. Oh, they're kind of small. Interesting. I know why. It's because when we imported them in our sprites, they're set to 100 when really we want them to be on. Who's our guy? 32. There we go, look. Now the size doesn't seem ridiculous. Be nice to give them a little bit of a collision. You could either handle that through the map creation